is actually my first time doing this. Season it with some salt and pepper. That should be good enough. Yeah, this orange Roughy, these is 2 packs and they were like $10 a pack, like $10 for like 3 or 4 of these. These are really expensive. Probably won't be buying this again. But then again, I got them from Gordon's. And here I have my hand breaded butterfly shrimp that we're gonna be eating also. Like I said, y'all, excuse my dirty stove. Throw these bad boys in the oven. Easy night for me. Oh, I gotta fry these. Yeah, I can't throw them in the oven. I gotta actually fry these bad boys. Damn it. Thought I was getting off the easy way. Yep. Gotta fry these jokers. Like I said, this is my first time ever making it. Okay, pour the flour in. Season to taste. I got a little bit of my beer canned chicken to go in there. And some pepper and seasoning salt. Put a little bit of this because I don't know how that's going to turn out. Okay, and got my egg, 2 eggs. And I'm gonna mix that up. I got my beer. Get the beer of your choice. I picked Budweiser. And I'm going to gently make batter. Trying to get it to a nice consistency. Maybe if I quit using a knife and use a fork like an idiot. Okay, let's make it to a nice consistency. You want to be able to dip your fish in here and take it out where it's a real light coat on the fish. You don't want it too thick. So I'm gonna put a little bit more beer in there because that's a little thick. I'm gonna keep stirring. Dripping off. They say make sure you can see through the batter. Okay, please don't let it be a grease fire. Okay. Hopefully that's hot enough. Okay. I'm gonna do 3 at a time because I'm a little nervous. Grease is popping everywhere on my stove. Okay. Move it over a little bit. Alright, let's see how this goes. Say cook for like a minute on each side. Then flip it till golden brown. You're getting a little golden brown right here. I think I might have did a good job. Making a mess, but oh well, it's nothing that can't be clean. Okay, I think that's been about a minute. For sure. Let's see. I'm gonna turn it over now. Hope I don't get drunk. Oh shoot! Oh, those are pretty. So while that's cooking, let's try these. Then I'll show you guys when everything's done. Put about 3 of these in. First time ever cooking those. Now it's my fork. I'm making a big mess. If I did something wrong, guys, comment down below and let me know what I could have did better to make my life a little bit easier. Because, like I said, I'm not a seafood eater. I don't really eat fish. My kids and my husband love it. So I gotta at least try to do what I can do. Let's see. Ah! Okay, not bad. Alright guys, I'll show you the aftermath. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, that's perfect. Take these bad babies out. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, they are so pretty. Look at that one. Besides my mess, what you guys think? Let me know what I could do differently, guys. But like I said, excuse the batter, but a good cook never cooks and clean. A good cook is messy and sloppy. Call me the new chef, Girl RB. Put the little shrimp right here, the fish, the fries, and the hush puppies. Make a cute little platter for dinner tonight. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. It's turning out beautiful. And there goes my platter. It's almost getting there. A couple more pieces to go. First time cooking beer battered, orange Roughy, some throw in the oven, hush puppies, throw in the oven fries, and some well, no, I thought you could throw these in the oven, but I had to fry them. So, I think I did pretty good. Let me know in the comments what you think. What you think I could have done better. And so forth. Alright guys, talk to you later.